Most secrets to good health aren't secrets at all, but common sense. For example, you should avoid contact with bacteria and viruses at school and work, but a whole host of other feel-good solutions can help you live healthier while avoiding that runny nose or sore throat. Here are 10 tips for preventing colds and the flu.
Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to watch our videos first.
Number 10. Get a flu vaccine. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends that all people over 6 months of age get a yearly flu vaccine. However, exceptions should be made for certain people, including those who have severe allergic reactions to chicken eggs. A severe allergy leads to symptoms such as hives or anaphylaxis. Number 9. Be social. Doctors have long seen a connection between chronic disease and loneliness, especially in people recovering from heart surgery. Some health authorities even consider social isolation a risk factor for chronic diseases. Research published by the American Psychological Association suggests that social isolation may increase stress, which slows the body's immune response and ability to heal quickly. In the study, male rats were slightly more susceptible to damage from social isolation than females. Number 8. Add color to meals. Do you have trouble remembering to eat your fruits and vegetables at every meal? Cooking with all colors of the rainbow will help you get a wide range of vitamins such as vitamin C. While there is no evidence that vitamin C can reduce the severity or length of illness, a 2006 study from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that it may help the immune system ward off colds and flus, especially in those who are stressed. Number 7. Drink green tea. For centuries, green tea has been associated with good health. Green tea's health benefits may be due to its high levels of antioxidants called flavonoids. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, several fresh brewed cups a day can lead to potential health benefits. These include lower blood pressure and reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 6. Calm down. For years, doctors suspected there was a connection between chronic mental stress and physical illness. Finding an effective way to regulate personal stress may go a long way toward better overall health, according to a 2012 study published by the National Academy of Sciences. Try practicing yoga or meditation to relieve stress. Cortisol helps the body fight inflammation and disease. The constant release of the hormone in people who are chronically stressed lessens its overall effectiveness. This can result in increased inflammation and disease as well as less effective immune system. Number 5. Skip the alcohol. New research shows that drinking alcohol can damage the body's dendritic cells, a vital component of the immune system. An increase in alcohol consumption over time can increase a person's exposure to bacterial and viral infection. A study in the journal Clinical and Vaccine Immunology compared the dendritic cells and immune system responses in alcohol-fed mice to mice that hadn't been supplied alcohol. Alcohol suppressed the immunity in mice to varying degrees. Doctors say the study helps explain why vaccines are less effective for people with alcohol addiction. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Getting adequate sleep is extremely important if you have been exposed to a virus, according to a study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine. Healthy adult participants who slept a minimum of 8 hours each night over a 2-week period showed a greater resistance to the virus. Those who slept 7 hours or less each night were about 3% more likely to develop the virus after exposure. One reason may be that the body releases cytokines during extended periods of sleep. Cytokines are a type of protein. They help the body fight infection by regulating the immune system. Number 3. Keep moving. Staying active by following a regular exercise routine such as walking 3 times a week does more than keep you fit and trim, according to a study published in the journal Neurologic Clinicals. Regular exercise also keeps inflammation and chronic disease at bay, reduces stress and the release of stress-related hormones, accelerates the circulation of disease-fighting white blood cells which help the body fight the common cold. Number 2. Get vitamin D. Reports indicate that many Americans fall short of their daily vitamin D requirements. Deficiencies in vitamin D may lead to symptoms such as poor bone growth, cardiovascular problems, and a weak immune system. Results from a 2012 study in the journal Pediatrics suggest that all children should be checked for adequate vitamin D levels. This is especially important for those with dark skin since they don't get vitamin D as easily from exposure to sunlight. Foods that are good source of vitamin D include egg yolks, mushroom, salmon, canned tuna, beef liver. You can also buy vitamin D supplements at your local grocery store or pharmacy. Choose supplements that contain D3 since it's better at raising your blood levels of vitamin D. Number 1. Eat green vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins that help you maintain a balanced diet and support a healthy immune system. According to a study of mice, eating cruciferous vegetables sends a chemical signal to the body that boosts specific cell surface proteins necessary for efficient immune system function. In this study, healthy mice deprived of green vegetables lost 70 to 80% of cell surface proteins. So these were the secrets to never getting sick. Did you like anyone from this list? If so, please let us know in the comment section below.